how y'all doing, Instagram? For the ones that don't know me, my name is Isaac Uribe. I'm a recent college graduate from CT Bauer College of Business, and I have also gotten my degree in finance. Um, I am making this video because I have had a lot of family and friends and acquaintances ask me about business, general business advice. A lot of the times, these questions I thought had simple answers to them, and it kind of surprised me on how many people don't know these things. So I am creating this page to help y'all out, and I think at the same time it'll definitely be a learning experience for myself, because some of y'all definitely think outside the box. So whatever I don't know, I will be researching, and whatever I do know, I would definitely be posting. Some of the topics that I have in mind already are how to save, how to market yourself or marketing in general, and interviews, resumes, and a big topic also, which I will definitely be posting more than one video about, will be investing. Now, I will I'm hoping to have fun with this. I think it will be fun, and I would definitely we'll try to keep it lighthearted, not just very straightforward and business only. One thing that I definitely focus on is not only working hard but playing hard. So I hope y'all give it a follow. My new business page in IGTV will be isaacu.biz, B-I-Z, advice. Um, Let me know what y'all think, and definitely give me some ideas. I will be open ears and open minded, so let me know. Thank you guys. Bye.